Hello all and good morning. Since the camera is out already because I wanted to finish another video which I started a long time ago, and since I taped that in my natural look just out of bed, I thought why not just show you my daily routine for autumn and winter. Because I have rosacea skin in the spring and especially in the summer. In the spring you have to use 30 protection, and in the summer I have to use 50 protection. So this is a autumn and winter cream for me because it has now some protection, but to be honest, I think it's the nicest cream for me, but I can't use it unfortunately in seasons where the sun is shining. Okay, it's also a nice test for me to see how short my daily routine is. Let's start out by I clean my in the evenings, in the night I use medicinal gel for my rosacea skin, so that's still on my skin now. If you think she's not looking into the lens, that's because I am a little bit, yes, you know, just out of bed, and I'm looking into the screen next to the lens. Okay, I start out by cleaning my face with these. These are plastic free and vegan, and they are for the ultra sensitive skin. They are from a C brand of a supermarket. To be honest, all those things are not really that important for me. What important is for me is that my skin can handle them and is not too allergic for them. So this one I'm using. They are called Care and they are from a large Dutch supermarket chain. The little towels have, I hope you can see it, kind of relief on them. Some small bubbly things, probably to clean the skin thoroughly. But if you have ultra sensitive skin, you have to rub very carefully. It's probably that the relief is there because the towels are very, very thin and otherwise would not clean enough. So I just do this. So I clean my nose and my chin. For many, these are the T-zones, I believe. Then I take it from here to here, then from here to here, and then around my face. That should cover all my face. Don't be alarmed. As you can see, it reddens. That's not really the lotion in the towels, but it's the rubbing. Even if I'm very soft, my skin will not like it. But don't worry, it will go away very fast, so it's not damaging or something. It's just like a little on my skin. Then at a certain age wrinkles will appear. They mostly start to appear at the eyes. Let's see if I can do a close-up and stay focused. Yeah, I think you can see that. So I'm using an eye cream. The brand I used for years definitely probably was not used by many people because they stopped making it. So for the last few months I have kind of been experimenting with eye cream. Since you rub it very near your eyes, and my eyes are sensitive also, I have to have an eye wrinkle cream that does not irritate my eyes. But I found one and I started experimenting with the cheaper ones because most important for me is that it won't irritate my skin and my eyes. So why not start out at the bottom of the level and go upwards? And I found this one. It's Etos, and it's called Firming Eye Cream Pro Age Skin. I don't know if it's visible. Difficult to see. I hope you see it. Maybe better this way. Anyway, it works nice. I'm not allergic to it, and if it prevents wrinkles or something, I don't know. It's just maybe just my feeling that I'm doing something against it. Not that I'm ashamed, but why not? So I put it up from here to there. Reason I'm also doing my nose is that I seem to laugh a lot, and I have always put up my nose, so the wrinkles are also on my nose. Yes, so let's see. Probably too much here, but okay, I can put it there. So, well, according tradition and what is said on the packaging, one should use the index finger. We call it wijsvinger or pointing finger here in the Netherlands, to gently tap it in. But to be honest, mostly I just put it on and leave it on to get in my skin on its own. Okay, but that's step 2 of my daily care. Then we have the final touch. Let's see how you like my friends. BB peau, perfaite. It's called from Yves Rocher. I have some incoming light, so I'm hoping you can see it a little bit. Maybe I should do it. That helps a little bit. Okay. It's Sublime Skin BB Cream 6-in-1. What the 6 things it does is probably on the internet somewhere, but for me it moistens and takes care, and it has a kind of tint in it which compensates a lot for my rosacea. It's not a cream that is specially for sensitive skin or rosacea skin. It's just a general cream for every kind of skin, I think, but it works especially great for me for many years, so I'm very fond of it. It's available in light and normal. I believe I have the light, and I will show you what it does on my face. Okay, let's as you can see, my skin, for starters now, is quite, let's see, yes? Okay, this is the impression you have when it's without cream. I'm using this cream not as much as for camouflage, but also because it takes care of my kind of dry skin, and I think we have a problem here again because I'm not very well seeing what I'm doing. So I had that problem before when I tested the cream, and then I decided that I should go for a mirror in the future, but I did not think about that. But still, I kind of know how to put it on, so I will not make that many mistakes. I'm rubbing a little bit more than I normally do, because I'm a little bit still camera focused. So. You will get the general idea, I think. it's not as perfect as that I would do it with a mirror. And normally I'm faster. This is just issue of me not seeing. Okay, let's keep it this way. Okay, maybe there are, this is kind of the end result. Let's see if I can show you. It's not a foundation or something. It's meant to be a caring cream with a little compensation tint, so it looks a little calmer than the skin is. So as you can see, the results are quite natural looking, and as I said, it's very good for my kind of dry and sensitive skin. And even when it's not specially made for this kind of skin, for years it has been working well for me. So I'm very happy with it. And I have kind of a stockpile with it, because I'm afraid it will also go from the stores, because not many people are using it. I know it's not wise because it gets old when you stockpile it, but I have about 3 or 4 tubes of this in my cupboard as spare. I hope this is not a too long video. I have taped it in one scene, so please bear with me. But anyway, my routine in short: clean my face with these care, rub gently, ultra sensitive skin, my large and deep eye wrinkles with a firming eye cream of Etos, and to take care of my skin and to calm it down a little bit in look, this one, the BB cream 6-in-1 from Yves Rocher, Tint Light. And this is for winter and autumn. Thank you for watching me, and if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe.